So let's look at a mitral valve procedure shown with AI and XR.
Mitral valve replacement is a surgical procedure to replace a damaged or diseased mitral valve with an artificial valve.
So here we see the initial content being brought up by the AI.
The first successful mitral valve replacement surgery was performed in 1960 by Dr. Here is a video related to cardiac surgery mitral valve replacement.
Now you can watch that content and then go on and add additional models to this experience.
The procedure is performed using a catheter, which is inserted into the heart through a small incision in the chest. The new valve is then placed into the heart and the catheter is removed.
Here we're looking at the procedure with over 30 portals brought up automatically with the AI assistant.
Select to explain about the parts or show the process.
I selected to show the process of the mitral valve replacement.
3. Remove the damaged mitral valve. 4. Replace the valve with a prosthetic valve. 5. Close the incision and monitor the patient's vital signs. 8. Schedule follow-up appointments to monitor the patient's progress. 9. Provide rehabilitation to help the patient regain strength and mobility.
So we go through all of these portals and learn the procedure of the mitral valve replacement. Finally, let's wrap it up with a video going through the specifics of the procedure for the mitral valve replacement.